This is the Clients tab. Not really much to see here. You just need to know that you'll need to add a client in this tab before you can add them into a quote. It's as simple as adding a new client here. Then type in their name. For the email address, I'll just use Murray's details. Phone number goes here. And you can add the type of client if you want to section them into different categories. You can also enter the role or relationship to the client. The currently active toggle can be turned off if they're an old client that you don't use anymore. They still need to stay in the system, but you won't see them in the list. And if you want, you can tag them with different dietary preferences. And if you need to, you can add a custom one here. After that, just a case of saving the client. And that's it. Job done.